I received a package today from Amazon, and it's a solar generator. I'm going to open it up for you and see what it came with. It's something I ordered off Amazon, and I did pay with my own money. So this will be a review, a fair review. All right, let's see what's inside here. Some bubble wrap. Has another box. Let me put this down and I'll open that one too. All right, let's open the inner box. Let's see what this says right here. Okay. Well, it sure is taped real well. All right, let's see what we got. The Vitoman. All right, let me take this box out. All right, we're down to the last box. Oop. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, it's coming with a nice bag. Let's check what's inside here. You have the user manual. You got an assortment of cables, the power brick, the car charger, the cable for the power brick, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. And it came in a nice pouch. Oh, and it has a warranty card for you. Some friendly tips. Nice. All right, let's check out what else came. Some good packaging. Yeah, it's a big heavy thing. All right, let's check out what it is. This is the back. It has a light. This is the button to turn it on. And here's the front. Oh, it's got 82% charged. Right here, you have the inputs. You have your cigarette lighter plug and a couple barrel connectors. You got 2 USB-C ports and 4 USB-A ports. One looks like it's a quick charge 3.0. And then you have three AC ports at 1800 watts. And over here, you can plug in another battery. You can connect another battery to give you some more capacity. And this thing on the end, you can plug in a car. You can plug in a car jumper right there. This is called a Vitoman Jump 1800. It's 1800 watts.